Hi, it's Jan again. I know I haven't posted for a long time, been super busy, but I'm back. And today I want to show you how to make drawer pulls customized. I got these flat top wooden drawer pulls on Amazon. I'll have the links below. And these glass cabachons that are just a domed piece of glass. Hero Arts Infinity dies, because I'm going to use the die to cut my top off, piece I'm going to use. And then this is Judikins Diamond glaze. And you can get it in different sizes. Again, all the links will be here. I got this on Amazon. So what I want to do is make doorknobs for my daughter's cabinets. And this was one of the ones that I thought I'd make with her picture on it. And this has a dark lotus blossom flower. It wasn't exactly what I wanted. So anyway, she wanted a lotus flower. So I printed them out. I measured my discs, and they're like just under 1.5 inches. So I set my printer up to make these little circles that size. And I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to use the Infinity dies to cut mine out. You don't have to have dies and a machine to cut it out. You can cut it out with scissors. Even if the edges are going to be a little bit different, because this cuts a perfect circle. But the edges aren't really going to make a difference, because you're going to be putting this over the top of it and you won't really see the edges. Now, this is how simple this is. I opened the lid to this. I tried pinning this with a broken needle from my sewing machine. Little did I know it would rust. So the inside of there is rusted goop. I didn't use it. I'll never do that again. So what you're going to do is drop a little drop. Whoops, way too much. Preferably a little drop. And you're going to put your picture over it and kind of spin it around to get all the glue, and you get the picture centered. Then we'll try just a little drop this time. Okay, see? Just a small drop, that's all you need. Then take your cabochon and put it on top and smush it. And the glue, it will go out to all the edges. And there you have it. Now, it takes 24 hours to dry. You just set it someplace where you're not going to mess with it for 24 hours, because you want that to set really well. Now, one of the ones I showed you, I dropped this morning, and I had made it last night. Nothing happened. I dropped it like on the side, and then it fell on the front. Nothing happened, didn't hurt anything, and it didn't shift or move. You'll see that this one is darker. I tried a different glue, and it darkened the paper, and I don't like the way it looked. This one is so much cleaner and prettier. You can do photographs, you can do whatever you want. Anyway, have a great day. If no one's told you they love you yet today, I do. And give me a thumbs up. Thanks.